Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. I'll be picking few cards from this deck and few more cards from the other decks, guys. Choices. Anchor. Rider. Capricorn, with these cards, I feel some important change is coming today. Maybe some important information or news regarding something which you were expecting for a long time, okay, is reaching you today, and you are put up with many choices, many options. Maybe this is in your work, maybe you have many job openings, or it may be in your personal life. You have people approaching you for what you are, they like you a lot, you don't know what to decide, okay, so you are feeling confident, responsible, and what to say, some kind of sense of achievement is there in you, okay, so you know in your heart what you want, and choices are there for you to make. So based on the goals you are going to achieve it, so you are feeling victorious today. So that is the energy, guys. Capricorn, many choices are there for you today, and you know what you want, guys. This may be uh, regarding your personal life or in your work, okay. And you feel victorious, maybe in your heart of hearts you have decided what it is, okay, regarding the new person or regarding your new work. You have decided what it is going to be, and you're feeling very happy and content. Okay, for some of you all, you may be stepping into commitment also, guys. You would have decided, okay, to propose, or your person has decided to propose to you, and they are coming to you with a strong commitment, okay, and they are ready to accept the heavy responsibilities involved in the situation, okay, and they want to take this relationship forward, guys. So that is also the energy I'm getting here, Capricorn. Let me pick three cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Page of Swords, okay. The Lovers, Page of Pentacles, Capricorn. With these cards, I feel it is surely love, guys, and you would have had some kind of doubts or confusion, okay, to take this relationship forward, and you were having what to say, you were thinking, worrying, okay, about certain things, but now you have the knowledge and what to say, the conclusions that this is the person for you, and you have determined that this is a person for you in your heart, and you are moving forward with this relationship, guys. You're ready to propose, okay, and there is a lot of attraction in this relationship, good bonding, and this may be a distant connection, guys, Capricorn. So maybe few of you all are getting engaged, guys. That is the energy here. The choices, you're determining the choices, you know what you have to decide, okay, and you have a clear knowledge about things. Okay, that is the energy here. So you have made your choice, you have understood what you need, and you have clearly made the choice. Let me pick out one more card from the other deck to see what's coming up, Capricorn. It's an angel card, guys. Capricorn, you have surely reached the clarity. This card denotes clarity of thoughts. So I feel that's the energy, guys, I was talking about. You have many choices, you are put forward with many choices, and in your heart, you have the clear knowledge what choice is for you, and what choice works for you. Okay, so you're moving forward, you have decided what you need, you have the confidence and compassion and love towards a person, and that there is a good bonding in your relationship. Maybe for some of you all this may pertain to your work also. So maybe you're moving to a new job, you have decided what you need in your life and what job you want to take up. Okay, so something good, some change is coming. Okay, something important, and you are determined to make this work, guys. You are confident enough, you are taking the responsibility and to make it work, make this work, make it stable, guys. So that is the energy, Capricorn. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.